everyone, it's Team Rocket Draws here with another Pokemon card opening. And for this video guys, I'll be opening the Pikachu GX and Eevee GX special collection box, as well as this Vaporeon blister pack from Vivid Voltage with the coin. So I'm pretty excited guys. The reason I'm opening this right here is for the actual promos. The box is actually in a little rough shape. You can see some of the packs falling out. You see some up here. So the main reason I wanted this was for the actual promos. But here's the back in case you guys wanted to see it. We got Eevee, we got Pikachu at the top, and then here's the top if you guys want to read it. You guys can pause the video if you guys want, but I'm just gonna open it really quick and get everything out. Alright, so I took everything out guys. Now let's actually look at what we have. Let's start off with the promos from the Pikachu box. So we have a Eevee GX, a really funny looking one. I think this is the main reason that I wanted this box was for this promo. It's Sun and Moon 233 I believe. It's right there at the bottom. It's actually pretty funny art of Eevee. We got a Pikachu GX, which I don't have. This is promo SM232. We got a, this is the first time I see this Eevee. So it seems we got a Shata, Tyrogue, and a Rhyhorn in the back. And it seems like Eevee's riding a Rhyhorn himself. So it's actually a really cool card right there. I hadn't seen it. And then we have Pikachu. Look at this one. Wow. I'm glad I opened these. I didn't see these promos. It is a promo SM234. And it has a Pikachu, a Donphan, and a Hoppip. So, and it seems like an unknown over there on the top. Maybe you guys are able to see it over there. So it's actually pretty cool. I think I like the regular cards over the G axis. So these are a little bit in a rough shape. You guys could tell I'm a little bit shaky, and just ahead of time I wanted to apologize if I sound different guys, or you guys hear me out of breath. Recently I was admitted at the hospital for 5 days due to COVID. I ended up getting pneumonia unfortunately, and I was there for 5 days, and now I've been out for a couple of days already. I'm not 100, but I feel a lot better. So you guys could probably hear my voice, I sound different, and you guys will probably hear me get out of breath really easily. So there's gonna be some breaks in the video, so I apologize, and hopefully you guys can pardon me and everything guys. I'm trying. I want to get some videos out there for you guys. So I gotta say I really like this one and the Eevee better than the G axis. These are way better in my opinion. It's actually really cool. I think I like this one just for the actual, you can see so many Pokemon in the background, and then obviously having Pikachu. I don't know which one I like better. Which one do you guys prefer, the Eevee or the Pikachu? I kind of like the Pikachu, but at the same time the Eevee looks really nice. So I don't know, I think Pikachu will take it just because overall look of it. So let me just set that to the side, as well as these back here. The main thing that I noticed about this box was that Eevee, the really funny Eevee. And then here's a code card, that way you guys could get something. Hopefully you guys get something good. And then the 4 packs that we ended up getting in this set, or this box, we have a Cosmic Eclipse, and Evolutions, Unified Minds, and another Cosmic Eclipse. So I think we're gonna leave the Evolutions for last, and then we'll go with Unified Minds first. And then we're also gonna be opening the Vaporeon blister pack. So this one was actually in really rough shape. I got this one from the Pokemon Center for around $12. This one's a little bit rough shape guys. They shipped it a little rough. I did order 3 of these blisters and they put them all in the same box, so they're all bent. I was actually gonna collect one of them, but I think I'm just gonna open all of them. Just in case you guys were wondering, this is actually a really cool Vaporeon as well. Set that aside. Here's the code card for that. Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage 3-pack Vaporeon. And then here's the coin. Seems like it's a Lugia. It's actually really cool Lugia. Set that aside. And then we also have our 3 Vivid Voltage that we're gonna save for the end. So hopefully we get something good guys. We got 7 packs in total we're gonna open. And some really cool promos at that. The Vaporeon is actually really cool. Now that I'm looking at it, I think the other one, I forgot what the other promotional card is, for the blisters, the vivid voltage blisters. They didn't have anymore, so that's why I didn't get the other one. The only one they had was Vaporeon, so I ended up buying 3 of those before they sold out. So we're gonna start off with the Leaf Energy, yeah, Mega, and oh my god, that's a beautiful Dragonair. I've never seen that card. That's gonna have my favorite art of the video. Even the Magmar, man, I missed a lot of these cards from this set, huh? Look at the Pikachu. I've never seen this Pikachu before. I won't lie, he looks a little funny, but it's a really cool Pikachu. Look at the moon, it's a gold moon. Wow, I've never seen this card before, guys. This card kind of took me by surprise. It is an uncommon. And now for a rare, and the first rare of the video, it's gonna be a regular rare Cavalier. So set this card to the side. Our next one is gonna be a Cosmic Eclipse. Another set that I didn't open too many from, and it seems like we got something good. Yeah, I see the ultra rare in the back, so I'm gonna try to not show it as much as possible. Here's the code card, and hopefully it's one that I don't have already. I didn't open too many Cosmic Eclipse, so I believe this is X and Y, right? No, it's Sun and Moon, I mean. So hopefully Sun and Moon it is. So it is 4. We got a Fighting Energy to get the Maru. This has some really cool art. I don't like this art. Ooh, there's a Piplup. I haven't seen Piplup in so long. Reverse is gonna be, even look at this Rowlet. Would have been really cool if there was a moon in the background in the middle. That would have just brought the card together and made it way more better. But still pretty cool overall. I like the outline with the different colors. It has like blues, and it has like a purple and a pink for the outline. It's actually pretty smart. And for our first ultra rare of the video, guys, it seems like it's a full art. So hopefully it's one that we don't have already. We ended up pulling a, ooh, there we go, a tag team. Ended up getting a Solgaleo and Lunala tag team. So wow, that's actually a really shiny card. It's really, I don't know how to say, it's like faded. The actual art, it's like the colors are not that bright, they don't stand out too much, but it's actually really cool. So it has Cosmic Burn for 230. This Pokemon can use Cosmic Burn during your next turn. So for 4 energy, it does 230. And then Light of the Protector GX 200. So it does 4 plus. If you played Lily's full force from your hand during this turn, prevent all effect of attack, including damage to each of your Pokemon during your opponent's next turn. So playable wise, I don't know how good this card is, but it's a beautiful card. It's just it's kind of like toned down. Like the colors are not bright at all. They're all like monotone. So still really cool art though. I like it, guys. The centering is actually top to bottom, it seems like, but the size seemed decent, so not that bad, guys. I don't know how much this card runs for. If it's more, I gotta say, if it's more than $5, I'll start putting up the prices, because beforehand I wasn't doing that. I was only doing it if it was worth $3 or more, but I realized that that's a lot of work in editing, and then prices change and everything. So I think if it's more than $5, I'll post the price on camera. I don't know how much that one's worth, so let's go with this one right here. It seems like we didn't get anything good. This is the last Cosmic Eclipse. Hopefully you guys get something good right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and see what we ended up getting for this pack. So we got a Steel Energy, another Ticket Tomorrow, got an Absol, a really cool Flareon. So that kind of goes well with the Eevee in the back, as well as the Vaporeon. So, ooh, a reverse is gonna be a Raichu, which is a rare. It's having fun. And now for a rare, it's gonna be a regular rare Marshadow. So there we go, guys, not bad. Now for our evolutions, we got a Charizard, Mega Charizard, and hopefully we get something good. We're still going for that Holo Charizard from this set, guys. So I'm still hopeful for that card, although it seems that we didn't get anything good. I saw a green code. Unfortunately, it's upside down. Sometimes that happens. It is what it is, but we still have a chance of pulling another reverse holo Charizard. So and either I messed up the the thing, or this is another error. What's it called? Another error pack, because the Arcanine is a rare. So Hunter, because I don't know if you guys seen that. Look at the cutting. Wow, this one's way off. Evolutions, they didn't pay too much attention to the quality, guys. So reverse is gonna be Dugong. Sometimes you get like rares, more than one rare, other than just having the secret rare that doesn't count. I've gotten a pack where I got 3 rares in one pack. I've gotten some where like I get, I think, more cards than I'm supposed to, and so like just evolutions in general, it's a really funny set. They quality wise, they didn't pay attention to it at all. So here's a code card for the Vivid Voltage. Hopefully you guys get something good. So I thought, yeah, I did mess up the trick right there, because I think I did 4 instead of 3, since it is X and Y. So that was my mistake right there for that one. So we got a League Staff, we have Meowth, we have a Cottonee, a Rakuda that we saw on the card for the other one that he's eating him. In a rare, it's gonna be, oh, I missed the Chimecho as a reverse, and then a rare is gonna be an Executor, which I don't have, so it's actually pretty cool. So 2 more. Yeah, so if you guys didn't see the last video, I ended up opening a Elite Trainer box for this set, for the Vivid Voltage. So if you guys are interested, make sure to go check it out. Here's a code card for this pack. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We got some decent hits in that video, so if you guys are interested, check it out. There's a description in there's a link in the description, guys, for a playlist with all my card openings. You guys will be able to find all the card openings I've done in the past, if you guys don't want to look into my channel. So Wolfbat, reverse is going to be a Stone Energy, and for a rare, it's going to be a regular rare Clefable. So one more pack, guys. Hopefully we get an amazing rare or something from this set. Obviously everybody wants that Pikachu, but it's really hard to pull. I think it's like 1 in 200 packs, and even if you get 200 packs, it doesn't guarantee that you're gonna pull anything good. So it's actually really hard to pull some of these cards. And 1, 2, 3, 4 to the back, or to the front, I mean. So we're gonna start out with the Steel Energy. We got a Beauty, Shuckle, Nuzleaf, Oshawott, Pineco, a Clefairy, Tynamo, a Milcery, and if we do get an amazing rare, it's gonna be in the reverse spot. So hopefully we got a amazing rare, guys. I think this should be the next one. Nope, we ended up getting another Tynamo as a reverse, but our rare and final card of the video is gonna be a regular rare Barraskewda. So it's actually another really cool Pokemon, one that I had in Pokemon Shield, one of my favorite Pokemon on there. And we got a decent amount of cards right here, but I think the main thing was these right here. So now to go over my favorite art of the video, let me know in the comment section, out of all the ones that I pulled, which one was yours and why. For me, it's gonna be this Dragonair, just because Dragonair has always been a really majestic Pokemon to me. It's always been not like a legendary Pokemon, but it's been up there. It's just like a really majestic, like legendary, like I don't know how to, like in that, like up there in that area. And it's actually really cool just looking at it right here, especially looking at it being underwater, looking up, and then just the colors in general I really like. It seems like they use like kind of like a color pencil effect, and you can see Dragonair full on, and overall, guys, it looks just amazing. Like, it makes you think that if you were in the Pokemon game and you were coming across a lake or something, that this is how you would find Dragonair. So I think that's a really cool thing, and overall it's a really cool Pokemon. It's a dragon type, obviously, and I haven't seen dragon types in a while. I know they took out fairy, but yeah, it's actually really cool. It's gonna be my favorite part of the video. And now just to go over some of the promos that we ended up getting in this pack, or this video, guys, because we actually got a lot. We got the Vaporeon promo, Sword and Shield H072, in case you guys were wondering. We got Pikachu, we got the Pikachu GX, we have the Eevee promo, we ended up pulling a tag team Soga Leo and Lunala GX, and then we also got an Eevee GX, a funny looking one. So overall, I think we did pretty decent, guys. I really wanted to open this box because it was really damaged, and the main reason was for this Eevee. Without even looking at the 2 promo cards for Eevee and Pikachu, I didn't see these close up, so I'm glad I opened them just for these 2. These are actually really cool to me. And yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and I guess I'll just catch you guys on the next one. Team Rocket Draws out.